What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to learn how you can make this motion blur effect in Photoshop and make somebody look as if they are ghost like, or you can just make it one-sided or any side of your choice. That's what we'll be making today, and let's get right into it. So the first thing we need to do is to bring our model, just drag into our document, into Photoshop, and once you're done, uncheck this so that we can work with it. Then Ctrl J to duplicate. Then on this first one, we're going to go to select. Then we go to select subject, and we're going to create layer mask on it. Create layer mask. So we have this. We're going to right click on the layer mask and say apply. Okay. So we're going to make it duplicate. Ctrl J. Then on this one, this second one that's in between these two layers now, we're going to go to filter, then come to blur, then come to motion blur. This is where the whole magic takes place. Okay, as you can see, we already have the effects, but this is the angle that you can choose the direction of your blur, but I want mine to be 0, and this controls the distance of the blur. Okay, so I want mine to be as blurry as this, and just click OK. So that's how we're able to apply this, and we have this two-sided. So how do we have it on one side? So on this layer now, let's just duplicate it. Ctrl J. Let's hide this first one. Then on this one, we're going to create a layer mask. Let's create mask. Then let's click on B on our keyboard. This is going to bring in the brush, or you can just click on it from your tool here. Then let's make sure that our hardness is 100%. Then our flow, everything is 100%. Okay. So we're just going to paint out these parts, and make sure that your foreground color is black. Okay. And just paint out this part. Okay. This is going to create the one side. Okay. So on this one now, you can duplicate it to make sure that it's on the other side too. That is to choose the side that you want. Just duplicate this layer, Ctrl J. Then let's hide this one. Then on this one, just click Ctrl I. This is going to invert the mask, and you are done. It's as simple as that. You're done. Now we have the right, okay, right. Then we have the left, okay. Then we have the both side. So that's brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And today is day 42 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.